Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm good. In today's video, I will be show you how you can fix if you have multiple operating systems on your PC, but your PC just puts into one of the OS. So here, my PC has the same issue. So I will be show you how you can fix that now. So without wasting time, let's get started.
And this PC is running, it has two OS. One is Windows 10 and another one is Windows 11, but just push to Windows 11, so it doesn't ask me to choose from Windows 10 or Windows 11. So we will fix this. So as you can see now, just goes to Windows 11. So let's fix this. So if you are new here, please consider to subscribe, and please start the video by hitting the like button. So let's wait. So my Windows is just boot now. So to fix this, just type system configuration. So I have recently do that, so you can type system configuration and you will get this. So you will click and open. So click on this boot here. As you can see here, it is there are found. This is for installer, so that's fine. But Windows 11, the current OS, and Windows 10 on my disk drive D here. So in order to put to Windows 10, so we'll adjust this timeout. It's become 0 second, so we'll add to like 5 second, and then we'll hit restart. So now we'll see the difference. So my PC is now just restarting, so we will see the result. Okay, so it should ask me to put from Windows 11 or Windows 10. As you can see, voila, here it is Windows 10 and Windows 11. So this is for installation, so I don't need this, so I'll put to Windows 10. So if you are new here, please consider to subscribing to our channel, and if you really found this video is useful, please share, and if you have any comments, leave a comment. So this is how you can fix your Windows PC if you don't get dual boot options. So see you next time. Bye.